Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I am also fine. So students, today we are going to part 3, chapter number 7, Riya's train got late. So first of all, open your notebook for subject environment. Open it and take your pen. Very good. So, first of all, write down on margin chapter number 7. Write down. Yes. उसके बाद उसके नीचे की लाइन में चैप्टर का नाम लिखना है. रियाज ट्रेन got late. लिख लिया. वेरी गुड. उसके नीचे की लाइन छोड़ के उसके बाद की लाइन में लिखना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस in 1 or 2 sentences. In 1 or 2 sentences. उसके अंदर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which stations did Riya see between Vadodara to Vapi? See between Vadodara to Vapi. Answer is Riya show Surat, Navsari and Valsad stations between Vadodara to Vapi. Riya show Surat, Navsari and Valsad stations between Vadodara to Vapi. Now question number 2. When is the gate kept closed at the level crossing on the road? When is the gate kept closed at the level crossing on the road? Answer is when the train is going to pass over the trucks. When the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. When the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. Now number 3. Which 2 bridges are located on Narmada river near Bharuch? Which 2 bridges are located on Narmada river near Bharuch? Answer is the Golden Bridge and the Cable Bridge are the 2 bridges. Cable Bridge are the 2 bridges located on Narmada river near Bharuch. Now, question number 4. What things did Riya see from the train on the bank of rivers? What things did Riya see from the train on the banks of rivers? Answer is from the train Riya saw loose green fields, banana fields and loose green trees. Okay students, आज के लिए ये 4 क्वेश्चन आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. ठीक है. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस पार्ट 4 में लिखेंगे. ठीक है. तब तक स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बाय.